So welcome to my latest video. This is on my latest unit called PetBit Mark II. So if I just apply the power, I'll tell you more about it. PetBit Mark I, if you remember, was a 1.8-inch display, where this is now a 2.8-inch display. And unlike PetBit Mark I, this one actually connects to the internet. And there's a reason for that, which I'll describe later. And you'll see that it comes up with a default screen, which I've currently got set to the odometer. Same features as previous, but with some additions. So you've got the odometer, date and time that's pulled in from the internet. Little circle there actually changes when a sensor goes past the magnet, so you can see if the sensor is connected properly. Wi-Fi signal, currently green because it's connected. And then these graphics on the side are changed to display to other pieces of data. So you've got daily distances, and a scale and a date, Monday through Sunday. You've got daily times, a scale, and again through the days. The odometer we just spoke about, which is when they're on the wheel, you can see how fast they're going. And then this icon here, the gym icon, gives you a current session with max speed, average speed, distance and time all on one display. So that's a bit of fun, and obviously when wheels are turning, or wheel rather is turning, that data is real time. The reason why it's connected to the internet though is because all of this data is actually presented on a web server, and so you can connect to this unit while sitting at work, and you can see how fast your hamster or your cat has been running on said hamster or cat wheel, and so it's in real time and it records all the sessions, so you can see what they've been up to. And yes, I did say cat wheel because it turns out that when I built the first PetBit, which was for my hamster, my niece's hamster, it turns out that people in the office, some of them have got a cat wheel, and I didn't realise that was a thing. So in the system setup, you've got the startup screen, which you can obviously change to whichever one you wish. And then you've got circumference, which I did have on the first version, but is more important on the second version because, of course, a cat wheel circumference will be a lot bigger than a hamster's wheel. And then the two additions I had to consider is cats seem to run much further, and so you have to be able to change the distance scale on the distance charts. But when it comes to the time, they actually run for far less than a hamster, so you need to be able to adjust that scale also. Then you can do things such as disable the beep sound, and fully reset the Wi-Fi, or fully reset the system but not the Wi-Fi. And just like your speedo on your car, there is actually a total distance ever run by your cat or hamster. So quite simply, a lot of config gone into that, and I hope you like the design.